Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is gratitude is an attitude. When you praise in the dark, when you praise with the minimum, because all your needs are being met, there's no reason to be upset. When I know you praise with the minimum, I know you'll praise with the maximum. So make sure that you're giving gratitude, you're being happy. The smallest source of joy can really skyrocket you to the highest level of gratitude. When Spirit says, wow, you are really willing to praise and be happy while you're just on the couch or in the garage, in a one-bedroom apartment, a studio, then I know that you're going to give up that praise. I know you're going to give up that gratitude when I take you to the mansion. I'm aware of light in my life. I direct my thoughts to the beauty in and around me. I give thanks to God for every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me and I appreciate all that life brings me. When you're thankful, Spirit wants to give you more. To actually be, it's like a contest. How thankful can you be? Because I'm amazed at how thankful you are right now. Let me give you some more. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.